Worksheets can be defined by giving them relevant names to make navigation easier. To rename a worksheet, double-click the Worksheet tab that you wish to rename. As you can see, the worksheet name is highlighted. This indicates that the worksheet name is selected. Now, enter a new name for your worksheet. Press the Enter key when you have finished. The new worksheet name is now displayed on the Worksheet tab at the bottom of the screen. Alternatively, to rename a worksheet, right-click on the Worksheet tab. From the ensuing pop-up menu, select Rename. You can now enter a new name for your worksheet. You can insert a worksheet using the Insert command from the menu bar. To insert a new worksheet, click on the Worksheet tab before which you wish to insert the worksheet. The new worksheet will be inserted before this selected worksheet. Now, click Insert from the menu bar. Click Worksheet. You will see that a new worksheet has now been inserted. You can also insert worksheets using another method. Click on the Worksheet tab before which you wish to insert the worksheet. Press Shift plus F11. You will see that a new worksheet has now been inserted. To delete a worksheet, click on the Worksheet tab that you wish to delete. Select Edit from the menu bar. Click on Delete Sheet. This dialog box will be displayed, requiring you to confirm your action. From this dialog box, select OK. Your sheet will be permanently deleted. You can also insert or delete a worksheet by right-clicking the required Worksheet tab. From the pop-up menu, choose Insert to insert a worksheet, or choose Delete if you wish to delete the worksheet. Other than the toolbars already displayed in your worksheet, when you open your workbook, you may wish to view more toolbars. To display the other toolbars, click View from the menu bar. Select Toolbars. A list of toolbars available with Excel 2000 is displayed. Simply click the toolbar you wish to display from this list. Alternatively, you could right-click on any toolbar already displayed in your workbook. From the ensuing pop-up list, choose the toolbars that you wish to display. The standard toolbar includes icons for basic Excel 2000 features. The formatting toolbar includes icons for changing formats. The chart toolbar includes icons used when creating charts. The Clipboard toolbar is used when cutting, copying or pasting multiple items to or from the clipboard. The Control toolbar includes icons used when creating fill-in forms. The Drawing toolbar includes icons used for drawing circles, squares, ovals and other shapes. The External Data toolbar includes icons which are used when querying external data. The Forms toolbar includes icons for creating list boxes, option buttons, etc. The Picture toolbar includes icons for creating and manipulating pictures. The Pivot Table toolbar includes useful data for pivot tables. The Reviewing toolbar includes icons for creating and manipulating comments. The Visual Basic toolbar includes Visual Basic icons. The Web toolbar includes icons for creating, manipulating and interacting with the web. The Word Art toolbar includes icons for creating and manipulating word art objects. You can customize the way you view your toolbars on your screen. Click Tools on the menu bar. Click Customize on the ensuing drop-down menu. Select Options in the Customize dialog box. You can select from the following options to suit your needs. This is the Personalized Menus and Toolbars section. Both the Standard and Formatting toolbars will be displayed in one row if you select this checkbox. By default, Excel 2000 shows only the most recently used commands on the drop-down menus. If you prefer all the commands to be immediately visible, deselect this checkbox. By default, Excel 2000 displays the full drop-down menus after it has been open for a few seconds. To prevent this, deselect this checkbox. Excel 2000 tracks the commands you select from each drop-down menu. Excel 2000 displays only those commands that you use most frequently. To restore the drop-down menus to their default settings, click this button. Selecting this checkbox in the Other section will display large icons on all the toolbars. Selecting this will display the fonts listed in the Formatting toolbar in their font. Selecting this checkbox will display the name of the icon when the mouse pointer passes over it. In the Menu Animations drop-down list, you can select how menus appear on screen. When you work on large worksheets, the whole sheet will not fit in your screen for you to view easily. Hence, to enable you to see which row or column you are on, you may wish to lock the row or column headings. Locking row or column headings means to split your screen accordingly. Excel offers you the Freeze Panes command to do just this. You can also freeze your column or row from the menu bar. Select Window. Select Freeze Panes from the ensuing drop-down list. To unfreeze your window, select Window again from the menu bar. Choose Unfreeze Panes from the drop-down list. To allow you to edit and format several sheets at the same time, you need to group your worksheets. After grouping your worksheets, any changes or formats applied to your active sheet will be reflected in the other grouped worksheets. If you wish to select all the worksheets, select any worksheet tab. Right-click on this tab. From the ensuing pop-up menu, choose Select All Sheets. You may want to select a contiguous set of sheets. To do that, select the first sheet tab that you wish to select. Holding down the Shift key, select the last sheet tab in your required range. To select a non-contiguous range of sheets, press the Control key first. Holding the Control key down, click on each and every sheet tab that you require. To ungroup your sheets, right-click on any one of the selected sheets. From the ensuing pop-up menu, choose Ungroup Sheets. Alternatively, to ungroup sheets, press the Shift key and click on the Active Sheet tab. Excel 2000 recognizes the concept of a series. If you were to enter the word Monday, Excel can automatically extend the series across selected cells to display the rest of the days of the week. Similarly, Excel can extend dates, times and other sequences like Q1, Quarter 1, Year 1, etc. There are three different types of series that Excel understands. Linear series. Excel 2000 increases or decreases the values of a series by a constant factor. Growth series. Excel 2000 will multiply the value by a constant factor. Autofill series. Excel 2000 will extend various types of data as shown. Autofill may be used directly on your sheet using drag and drop technique. You could also use autofill by accessing it through the Edit command on the menu bar and then selecting Fill and then Series. You can apply a series using drag and drop techniques. Enter a value such as Monday in a cell. Move the mouse cursor to the bottom right-hand corner of the selected cell until the cursor changes shape to a fine crosshair. Depress the left-hand mouse button and drag down the screen. On releasing the mouse, the selected cells will be filled with the series. There are two methods by which you can apply a number series. The first method is to enter the first number into cell 1 of the range. Enter the second number into the next adjacent cell of the range. Select both cells. Move the mouse cursor to the bottom right-hand corner of the selected cell until the cursor changes shape to a fine crosshair. Depress the left-hand mouse button and drag across the screen. On releasing the mouse, the selected cells will be filled with a number series commencing from the first number that you have entered. For instance, if the numbers are 1 and 2, the series filled will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. If the numbers are 1 and 4, the series filled will be 1, 4, 7, 10, 13 and so on. The second method is to enter the first number into cell 1 of the range. Move the mouse cursor to the bottom right-hand corner of the selected cell until the cursor changes shape to a fine crosshair. Depress the Ctrl key and holding down the left-hand mouse button, drag down or across the screen. On releasing the mouse, the selected cells will be filled with the number series commencing with your first number. At times, you may remember only a part of a file name which you wish to open. To find a file using a part or all of the file name, first select File from the menu bar. Now click Open. From the Open dialog box, click on the Tools button. From the drop-down menu, select Find. In the Find dialog box that opens onto the screen, the Property section will display file name by default. In the section value, enter the complete file name or part of the file name in the text box. Click on the Find Now button. You can also find a file containing a particular piece of text. To do this, select Text or Property from the Property section listing of the Find dialog box. Now enter the required piece of text that you wish to find in the Value text box. To find the file holding this piece of information, click on the Find Now button. To enable you to search for subfolders, select the Search Subfolders checkbox. Tick the Match Exactly checkbox to ensure that your text search exactly matches the capitalization of the text that you have entered.